Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can self-host your own cloud, and I would like to show you how you can set up Nextcloud on a CentOS machine. So that's basically all about it. I still have my last screen from the previous video. So basically I have a CentOS machine. It's not that big on resources. Let's see. It has 2 gigs of RAM, 2 CPU cores, so that should just do fine. Let's clear this. Now what we need to do is to acquire sudo prompt and yum install the Apple release, the yum utils, and unzip and curl and wget. These all should be already installed. No, I didn't have these two, but now they are. And I also need some extra packages, so yum install. These are the rest which needs to be there. And after it is done, what we need to do is to install the httpd package. This is the Apache package for CentOS. And after we have installed it, what we need to do is to create a virtual host. So etc httpd conf.d and nextcloud.conf. I'm going to copy paste what I would have to type. So basically it's a single virtual host. It has the document root set to this. It is going to be my server name, so let's call this CentOS, and that's basically it. It will use this Nextcloud directory, which I'm gonna have to create. So mkdir-p, and what I need to do is to enable and start the service. Now what needs to be done is to install the REMI release for PHP, and once this is installed, what we need to do is to use the dnf install yum utils, but it should already be installed. No, it's not. All right. So let's reset the PHP module, and once this is done, let's install the 7.4 version of PHP and use the DNF update. Yeah. Once this is completed, we need to install some extra packages, some more extra packages, but it should be done in no minute. And we are going to use the MariaDB for database as the backend for the Nextcloud to store information and data and whatnot. But before that is done, we still have some preparation to do. And if everything is not going according to my plan, you will hear my washing machine in the video just for a short time. And now paste it anyway. All right. Now we still have some extra installation to do, which is the Redis and stuff like that. And now, once this is complete, we can install the database, which is going to use the MariaDB. And after the installation has completed, what we need to do is to enable the service and start it. Alright, then let's create or execute the secure installation, and we need to enter the current password for root. And it doesn't have. Let's set it. No, we don't want anonymous user. Yes, we would like to disallow it. We don't need the test, and reload the privileges table now. Let's install Redis and systemctl enable Redis service and start the Redis service. Now, what we need to do is to go to the download page and download for server and download Nextcloud. What I would like to do here is to get the download URL. Come on, copy link address and wget. Come on. Why this is happening? Copy link address. I'm getting there. All right. Now, after the download has completed, what we need to do is to copy, or first rather unzip the Nextcloud. Then copy it under the war HTML recursively. Let's create the data folder and Apache Nextcloud. Let's restart the HTTPD service and add the firewall rules. Now it's not running, but this is how you would add it. And what we would like to do is to copy and paste a few commands. All right. Once this is done, what we need to do is to go to the HTTP CentOS Nextcloud. And basically what we have here is the web page that we can use. What it is doing now is installing the recommended applications. So it has calendar feature, online collaboration, and some kind of code server that you can do. And once it is done, we should get to the actual page. So I used root to log in, but you can also create your own basic users to access this solution. Good afternoon. So it seems like the installation is complete. Let's take a tour around Nextcloud. And oh yeah, what we can do is to go under the files, and we can basically share files and whatnot, but this is for a next video. See you in the next one.